I'm going to show you some ways that we get ready for a trip on our family so that we can eat good food on the road. And also my market box. I'm Tessa at Willow Haven Farm. Thanks for joining me. And I love connecting you with your food and your farmer and helping you get the most nutrition possible out of the local food that you're buying and eating. So my market box, we've already picked at it a little bit today. Eaten some of the cherry tomatoes, and but I'm excited to have these nice zucchinis up here in the box again. These are grown by our farming friend Leroy. He's got great soil and he is able to plant tomatoes and zucchini and things later in the season so that we can offer them throughout the fall, even after they're done for the summer. So enjoy those. And don't make the mistake of buying travel food while you're on the road. It's really simple to make some things, to plan ahead, and even if you're feeding a family, and we've always done this, and our plan has evolved over the years as our family has grown, and now we've got some really very simple things that we take every time that we head out on the road. So this is the hummus that we've made. We used 3 cups of chickpeas and cooked those in the Instant Pot. And we made a couple batches, and we still have some chickpeas left over, so I'll probably freeze those. We always take some carrots. So these, we did have to buy organic carrots at the store this week because we don't have them from many of our farms. I'm going to cut up some more of our peppers so that we've got some sweet peppers to eat with our hummus on the road. And we always take hard-boiled eggs. So hard-boiled eggs can get tiresome, but just remember that you don't have to refrigerate them. You can take them. They're good for that first day, even if they're not in the refrigerator. After that, they'll stay better longer if you keep them cool. And you'll definitely smell them or smell them being off if they've gone past their life. I've obviously got kids in the background who are having an argument, so I'm gonna cut this video short. I hope these things were helpful for you as you think about the next trip that you take on the road. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.